I love the theme of this video series, precision for when it matters most. It's when reliability and safety and accuracy are non-negotiable. Across the portfolio, that could be the safe landing of a military pilot. It could be our food and our beverages. It could be keeping the lights on across the globe. Or electronics, whether it's robotics or flying cars, to the liquid-cooled data center. We're doing both the cooling of those data centers all the way to the optical fibers. So precision where it matters most. The Ralliant growth strategy starts with RBS everywhere, stronghold positions, and winning growth vectors. And with our customers, we can drive that growth strategy even faster. When it comes to helping our customers win, precision matters.